Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of online investing, specifically with a platform gaining some serious traction, comdirect. Now, whether you're a seasoned stock shark or a curious newbie, one of the first questions that pops up is, how much do I need to get started? That's exactly what we'll be tackling today, the minimum deposit for a comdirect account. But before we jump into the numbers, let's take a quick step back. Why comdirect? Comdirect is an online broker that's been making waves, especially for those in Europe. They offer a user-friendly platform, a wide range of investment options, and competitive fees. But what truly sets them apart is their accessibility. Unlike some traditional brokers that require hefty deposits just to open an account, comdirect boasts something truly enticing: no minimum deposit. Freedom to start small. That's right, you can open a comdirect account and start investing with literally any amount of money. This is fantastic news for beginners who want to test the waters of investing without a big upfront commitment. You can dip your toes in, learn the ropes, and build your confidence before diving deeper. But wait, there's more. While the lack of a minimum deposit is a huge plus, it's important to consider other factors when choosing a broker. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Transaction fees. Comdirect doesn't charge a minimum deposit, but they do have fees associated with buying and selling investments. Make sure you understand their fee structure before making any trades. Account types. Comdirect offers different account types with varying features and benefits. Do some research to see which account best suits your investment goals and trading style. Investment options. Comdirect offers a good selection of stocks, ETFs, and other investment products. However, it may not be as comprehensive as some larger brokers. Making the most of comdirect. So, you've decided to give comdirect a try. Here are some tips to maximize your experience. Start with a small amount. This is especially true if you're new to investing. Get comfortable with the platform and understand the risks before putting in a significant amount of money. Do your research, don't just jump into any investment. Research different options and choose assets that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Consider their educational resources. Comdirect offers a variety of educational resources to help you learn about investing. Take advantage of these tools to build your investment knowledge. The takeaway. Comdirect's lack of a minimum deposit makes it an attractive option for new investors. It allows you to experiment and learn without a big financial burden. However, remember to consider fees, account types, and investment options before making a decision. By starting small, doing your research, and taking advantage of educational resources, you can position yourself for success with comdirect. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.